Good morning students, myself Veerpal Kaur and today I will teach you chapter 2nd, the end of bipolarity for class 12th political science. And in our previous videos I have already done discussion regarding chapter 1, the Cold War era. Today we will discuss about new chapter, the end of bipolarity. Let's start it. Students, firstly we will talk about what was the Soviet system. We know about Russian Revolution. You have already learnt this in history book of class 9th. Russian Revolution was happened in 1917. Due to Russian Revolution, USSR came in existence. And I want to tell you little bit history of Russian Revolution. Russia was an autocratic nation. Autocratic means monarch system. And the king of Russia was Tsar Nicholas. In 1914 to 1918, this was the time period of First World War. Russia also took part in this war, and Russia was against Germany. We have already done discussion in chapter 1, the Cold War era, about Axis and Allied wars, and Russia also took part. Russian army was of peasants and workers, and approximately they did not train in well way. That's why workers and peasants were killed in warfare, and Russia now was facing economic crisis. Even people did not have bread to eat. Due to that, people do protest against Tsar Nicholas. Tsar Nicholas ordered his military to do firing on people, but after some time, Tsar Nicholas' army refused to fire against his own people. That's why Tsar Nicholas left his throne. And apart from that, a very important leader, Vladimir Lenin, came in existence. He was very important leader of Russian Revolution. He was inspired by Karl Marx. Some from you may aware about Karl Marx. He was following the theory of communism. Communism means power should be with the workers, not with the owners. Karl Marx and Vladimir believed that workers do effort to achieve goals in industry, but profit is gotten by the owners. But it is not fair. That's why they said workers should get benefit of it, and due to what produce will be the factory. For example, what produce will be the factory that will be distributed according to the need of workers, not to any owner.